Hey there, I have another White House Black Market box from Helpsy Source to unbox with you today. It's always good to look at different boxes and get a feel if it's something that you think can work in your business. I love ordering branded packs from Helpsy Source because at least I know what brand I'm getting. I don't usually order boxes that have a mix of brands unless I'm comfortable with all the brands and I know what brands they are. I don't like to be surprised. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. So, White House Black Market, size 6. This is a dress, nice neutral colors. This definitely has this needs a wash. This has some stuff. So I'm gonna put that over here and see if I wanna wash it. Most of the time I don't wanna wash it. If there's a few items, I will, but if there's just one, I'm not gonna bother. But that would have been an item that I kept for myself. White House Black Market, so these are faux leather pants, faux leather leggings. These look pretty good. Yep, high rise. Yep. So I'll be selling those. Perfect form, old tag, crop leg, size 4. No, I don't love these, so I don't want to sell those. So those are going to go off in my I'm not selling it pile, which means that I'll take it to my local buy sell trade store and see if they will take it, and I will usually get my money back or make a tiny profit. If they don't take it, then it will go off to ThredUp, where on White House Black Market you can actually make a small profit as long as it sells. So yes, this particular top, I'm kind of not sure. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. I just don't know if I want to sell it. It is an old tag. I think I'm not going to sell it. We'll see how I do across the whole box. Maybe I'll pick out a few more items to sell myself, but right now I don't want to. So this is a cardigan, very old tag, size small. Looks good. It's got like a drawstring here around the waist, so you can cinch it. Yeah, I mean, it is definitely not a recent tag. So it's a matter of, am I gonna find the stock photo? No. Do I think it's an item that somebody might want? Maybe. I'm gonna put it in the not sell it myself. I might go back to it. All right, this one's new with tag, so that's good. They wanted $89 for it. They didn't get it. This is just a little top. Oh, this is inside out. Because it's new with tags, I'm gonna sell it anyway. And it is cute. So it's got embroidery on it. So it's a tank top. It's not anything super special, but it's brand new with the tag. So I think that's worth it. This one has just sequins on it, size medium. No, there's definitely discoloration here at the bottom. So this one's not savable. That one is. So we'll keep those in 2 separate piles. All right, we've got a size 10 blazer, which is good. It's half sleeve or 3/4 sleeve. I don't know how many people are into that these days, but it's worth listing because it is a blazer. So we'll put that up. This one is a very looking dated dress. So I don't think I want to sell this myself. It has to be the right kind of thing. It has to make sense. Now this is pretty. This is a pretty top. And again, it's for the most part, oh, this is kind of like that one. It's like fitted on the side. I mean, it's in good condition. I don't know why I like this one more than that one, or I could lot them up. I haven't done it with just 2. I wonder, let's give that a shot. Let's do 2. I've never done a lot with just 2. Yeah, they're both size small. Let's do that. So we're gonna sell those as a lot and see how that does. All right, this is the new tag, which is usually what I'm looking for, the one that's all the way horizontal like that. So I like this. We're gonna go, oh, but this is frayed. All right, so the ties are frayed, so I'm not gonna sell that. Darn it. All right, here we go. So back to that. This is an extra small, so we can't put that with the lot. I think I'm gonna give that a shot. Again, I don't love selling extra small, but people do buy it. It is the new tag and it is very pretty. It's a really nice color. It's a cute style. So this is one I definitely don't want. So anything that is no, you know, strapless of these kinds of White House Black Market. I don't want it. But it is a size 14. Someone will buy it. They can just buy it from Style Encore or ThredUp. The jegging crop size 6. So that's the newer imprinted tag. You always have to beware with white items. No, there's some markings over here. Now I could try to get that out, but I'm not going to try to get that out. The other one I will try because it's a dress. All right, size medium. Again, this is another very dated style of dress. So I don't want to sell this dress. Someone will buy this dress, probably on ThredUp. It's not worth it for me to list that. I just don't feel like, I mean, it could sell. Like, it totally could sell, but I don't think it's gonna sell for a lot of money. I don't want to list it. I don't want those kinds of things clogging up my store. I'd rather say no to it and move on. Now this one is a new tag. It is a size small. It's cute. And so even though it's just a t-shirt, I could either add it to that lot, but it's kind of different than those two, or I could sell it on its own. So I'm gonna give that one a shot and sell it on my own. All the dresses so far have been very dated styles. So again, this sheath, I don't want to sell that. Shorts, size 4, I don't want to sell those. Although it is high rise. It is high rise. No, I don't want to sell it. All right, so this particular White House Black Market box is not so great. This, again, old tag, dated style skirt. Don't want to deal with that. White House, size 8. Not high rise jeans. Boot cut. Nah. I'm really good at saying no. I'm really good. I didn't used to be, but these days, again, dated dress, no, no, no. But I have these backup ways. I have Style Encore and I have ThredUp. So the backup helps me out. These are good. So these are a size 8. They are high rise pants. So these we will keep. Those will be good. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs, everything that I have created, and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. Ooh. All right, so these are old, but interesting. Very interesting. Ooh, they are slit wide leg pants. Those are interesting. I think we're going to keep those. These look like they could be considered vintage. I'm going to give those a try. Those look interesting. All right, so this is good. This is a new tag. This is a dress. This is what we're looking for. Something that's more current, something that's more the right kind of style, has the new tag, should be able to get a stock photo for it. That's what we want. All right, this is a size 6. A lot of dresses in here, which is good. And normally I'd be very excited about dresses. It's just, some of them are very dated. This one is very wrinkled and I don't want to steam it. So I'm not gonna sell it. I would have sold that, but I don't feel like dealing with the steaming and the things. Another dress, size 6, but it's strapless and I don't want to deal with strapless also quite wrinkled. That will go to Style Encore and Thread Up. What's this? Faux leather skirt. Yes, please. In brown. Yes, please. With a nice little slit in the front. This is cute. It's a little bit like open here, like, you know, she stretched it a little bit. I think because of that, I'm not going to sell it myself, but otherwise I would have totally sold. I don't know if it's even, it might even be real leather. It might be faux leather, it might be real leather. Size 12. Ooh, all right, so sleeveless. It's weird. I don't understand. If there's a dress that I don't understand, I also don't list it. So that's gonna be a no-go. Now this one, the Sculpt Skinny Ankle High Rise size 6. So we will sell that. That sounds good to me. Ooh, very bedazzled. So the boot, curvy, size 2 short. So we have a curvy size 2 short boot cut with all of the bling. The bling looks pretty good. Nope, there's a few bling missing, so we'll get rid of that one. Okay. The skinny ankle mid-rise size 2. Skinny ankle. Oh, these have like sparkles up the side. Mid-rise. Gosh, I haven't sold a size 2 in like, I don't know how long. Let's give it a shot. Let's see, although it's a little bit stretched out here. We'll give it a shot. Might just be me saying that. Might not really be stretched, like actually stretched. All right, a lot of this stuff in here looks not so promising. Looks dated. This has a safety pin holding it. Nope, that's just a cami top, old tag. No, no, no. Here goes another dress, which would be great, except it is so dated. Now, here's the thing. I might give a try to this only because maybe sometimes people buy the date, although it's an extra small. Oh, no, no, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I was willing to make an exception because I'm like, maybe there's someone that's just not stylish and she needs something to wear to work. And so it's a quick 20 bucks. And, you know, like I can rationalize my way out of lots of things. This is cute. So it's missing the belt, but it's a jumpsuit. People have belts. I might still sell it. Though, strapless. I'm gonna sell it. We'll try that out. Try it out. This were your tags. So there's this one, but do we not have a size tag? All right, that's probably not gonna work out because Thread Up doesn't take things without size tags. Oop, we got a size large. I don't want this top, but we'll sell this top because someone will want it, and it is a size large, so that's good. I mean, it's cute, but I don't want that. That's not my style at all. All right, these are fun pants. Slim ankle, 2 regular, just about high rise. We'll give those a shot. Now, the other thing is too, with my efforts to be a bundleable closet, I probably don't have a lot of size 2 stuff. But once you start taking one, then you want to be more apt to take a few more so that you do have options for bundles for people. Okay, we've got the 5-inch short, new with tag, size 4. So I will take those. We had a few things that were dingy in here, but like overall, it really hasn't been that bad. There's definitely more things that I don't want to sell than I do, but that's me deciding that. That's not the box coming to me with unsellable items, you know? Generally speaking, yeah, we'll sell this. Just a basic short sleeve, black open front cardigan. I do like to have some basics that people can bundle in. And this is another sleeveless dress, although, yeah, no. Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below. I don't want to sell that. All right, so this wasn't my best White House Black Market box. However, I have a good amount of pieces that will do well and will make me profitable, because the things that I don't want to sell, I'm either going to get a small profit for by selling it to Style Encore or ThredUp, or I'm just going to recoup my money. And so as long as all of those get sold off, then it's like they never existed. And so then all of this can become profitable. So I feel really good about it. The price point on these boxes are very inexpensive, especially if you're using a code like mine, Rebecca the Reseller. It gets you 10% off. That really helps. It brings down your cost. And if they're running a sale, you can always take advantage of that. And I just love ordering these boxes. I love knowing it's all going to be White House Black Market, or it's all J. Crew. I love ordering branded boxes because I know exactly what to do with them. I have my system. I sort it all out. I bring a bunch of stuff to Style Encore. I get a few $100s. That helps pay for the boxes. And then everything else that I want to list sells over time. And that's how the sausage gets made. So I hope that you guys are finding these unboxing videos helpful, because I'm not sugarcoating it. I'm not saying everything's great, but I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing with it so that I get the most money out of the box as possible. I have no doubt I'm going to be profitable on this box. Again, the price point was between $3 and $4. So for me, I'm fine with that. I can totally work with that. And I wish you guys the best of luck. If you're going to order from Helpsy Source, use my code Rebecca the Reseller for 10% off. And then be sure to subscribe, because I will be doing more unboxings from Helpsy, from Boutique by the Box. I have some Zara boxes coming, some more White House Black Market. I have Boutique by the Box coming. I've got a whole bunch. So hopefully you guys will check them out. Bye.